Since you talked about following your dream, I wonder if you think that long distance relationships are practical and can work.
I think if there is love, anything is possible and anything can work. If there's genuine true love.
Do you think so?
It is possible, but I think it really depends on how committed both the people are, because for a long distance relationship you require a lot of honesty, a lot of transparency in a relationship, and a lot of commitment. It's difficult.
Okay. Of all the...
But
you
it's
don't think
possible.
Okay, I wasn't going to ask you that, but you're saying no.
No.
No?
think it's possible?
Why?
You don't think a long distance relationship is possible?
I know it's not possible. I've tried it.
Meaning?
रिश्ता space से नहीं साथ रह के बनता है.
Yeah. That's a dialogue from
It's
the
a dialogue from the film. No, seriously, I've tried it. It did not work out well.
No,
You mean when
obviously,
you were
Ended
in
in
the
tears,
you were in the US?
heartbreak.
but again, it
Yes,
depends
right.
what you mean by a long distance relationship.
Like if you were an
Bandra
actress
Kulaba
went
is
to
not really-
Australia and he remains in New Delhi. I mean Alia.
But that was
but for
supposed to be
some
only for a
time
year.
it's fine.
That was just supposed to be for
See,
a year.
I think if two people are seeing each other and if they have to go apart for some time and come back, then it's
That is
fine. But not if
Not a prolonged.
not
a
like
prolonged.
if someone's decided to move base and the other one can't move for certain reasons, and then it's history.
Okay. Since Break Ke Baad's a love story, and since all three of you have worked in love stories, I want to know from each of you, which is the love story that you worked in that you identified with the most because you thought that one of the characters was really close to you? Oh, look at her. She knows what your answer
For me,
is.
it's Break Ke Baad. Because the character, I understood everything that he was going through. But if you, and even when there's that phase where Abhay and Alia are in their long distance relationship from Delhi to Australia, I was reading, I was like, oh man, this is exactly like what mine was like. The same phone calls, the same thing of the girl saying, I'm just going out for coffee with so and so. I'm like, who? You, Rishabh. I'm like, who's Rishabh? Never heard of Rishabh. All of that, all of those conversations.
Nahi jagah, nahi dost. Tom
Yes.
is Gulati.
This is the moment where all the women in my audience are going to say, "Aww," like I predicted.
Yeah.
But isn't it funny though that these days so much of the, like I said in the intro, so much of the conflict in love stories is within the relationship. It's
Yeah.
not the evil mother-in-law or the villain, gangster, any of that. That's a reflection of our times, right?
It's the reflection of our times and us as people, of how much we've evolved and have. This is what we evolved to. Like, the problems are now within, not external. And which is what is great. And that's a lovely conflict to have in a film. As a filmmaker, as a writer, I love the fact that the conflict is within and not external.